Hey guys, today I'm going to be condensing this eyeshadow palette into a smaller palette. So the tools I am using are isopropyl alcohol, a paint palette knife, and a book binding needle tool. I'm not sure what the name is, but it's basically a giant needle. So what I do is I spray alcohol into the sides of the well, and then I let the alcohol break down and loosen the glue. And then I take the needle and press it into the side and push it out. And sometimes I use a palette knife. So you want to go slow and apply even pressure until it pops out. You don't want to force it out because it might crack the eyeshadow, especially matte shades. Matte shades crack very easily. And if it doesn't want to come out, it won't. So just do it really slow and patiently. And then I'm just cleaning off the glue on the back and cleaning off the sides. And there you go. That's the palette. All the pans are magnetic, so I don't need to stick anything on the back. I'm just cleaning the new palette and popping them in, just like that. So aesthetic and so much lighter. Therefore, so much better for my makeup artist kit. Thanks for watching. Bye!